guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. I am feeding this little guy right now, and I think I picked up the camera after 9 days. Yeah, it has been a roller coaster ride for the whole 9 days, and when I say whole, that means day and night. But we are getting through it, and the nights have been sleepless at first, but still today, yeah, still I think he likes to sleep the whole day, feed and sleep and poop, but as soon as it's night, he likes to feed, and then he wants to stay awake, and he doesn't want to sleep. He wants to be held, which I think is very normal. So we are getting through that phase as well. And yeah, I'm in his nursery right now. I usually feed him here because the chair is very comfortable, and yeah, I have my water and everything, like changing station, everything is very close by. So yeah, and this little dude is doing very well. He has a doctor's appointment on Thursday, so we're gonna go there, and yeah, I mean, it feels normal to be vlogging again because we have been so sleep deprived that it was like, how are we gonna get the editing done, all the videos that we shot in the hospital, all that stuff. So it was like so many things going on in our head. But yeah, and we also started going for walks. At first, the first week I was not able to go because of the stitches. They are still not dissolved, but I take pain meds, and they're still there. It's gonna take 4 to 6 weeks for them to completely go away. And now we have started going for evening walks with Marvel, and from today we are also gonna go for the morning walks with Marvel, because it feels good to get out of the house. It's like if you keep staying inside, it feels like you're only feeding and you're only sleeping, and it kind of depresses you, for me. So that's why I need to get out of the house. Evenings also, sometimes we just go for a car ride, some fresh air, instead of just sitting at home. So yeah. While Mayang is freshening up, I got my coffee because very important right now to stay awake. But I'm still drinking decaf, and baby is sleeping right there in the bassinet after his feed. So yeah, like I told you, after his morning feed, he just feeds and sleeps and poops and doesn't trouble at all. So once Mayang comes out, we're gonna go for a walk, all 4 of us. And yeah, I'm gonna watch some Friends for now while Mayang is freshening up, because why not? Alright guys, we are all out. Family is out for a quick walk. It's super cold, so we all are cozied up. He is sleeping. He was just crying like 2 minutes ago, but now as soon as I started moving, he stopped crying, so it's good. And it's a beautiful weather.
Hey guys, so finally we are back home. We went for a quick walk. Hania feels nice when she gets out of the house, and right now she is feeding him. He got really cranky because it was his time to feed. I'm making quick breakfast. Tanya is gonna have turkey sandwich?
Steak.
steak sandwich, and I'm gonna have a bagel and coffee, and then after that we are gonna take Aiden to temple, which is his very first visit. And because today, like in India, it would have been his Dashton, that's what they call in Northeast, not Northeast, in North, yeah, I don't know if that's what a thing everywhere, but at least in my family. So mom and dad are doing what they are doing, you know, a little puja at home and stuff. Not since the baby is here, obviously they're not gonna call anybody or anything, but we told them that yeah, we'll just go visit the temple today, so this will be his first visit to the temple, so stay tuned.
Alright guys, we are out. He is all tucked in over there. Let me show you. There he is, all tucked in. This is a little too big for him, even though this is 0 to 3 months, but you can see his hands are only till here.
Literally newborn.
Oh, this one is newborn? Oh yeah, this one is newborn. It's still big for him.
But they do make it a little
big, yeah. Just so you can wear something inside and then, I guess, on top. But anyways, he's all cozy and up here. And first we are going to the temple, and then from there we're gonna go to Patel Brother. We need to pick a few stuff, and that's, I think, will be our day plan today.
उसका नाम क्या है? आइडन। ओम विष्णुवृत्ता नमस्कारं तम शांति मंत्र हरि ओम ओम जो शांतिरंतरिक्षं शांतिः पृथिवी शांतिरापः शांतिरुपदय शांति वनस्पतयः शांतिः विश्वे देवाः शांतिः ब्रह्म शांतिः सर्वभूत शांति शांतिः शांति सामा शांतिरिति। नमो सुनन्ताय सहस्रमूर्तये सहस्रपादाय शिशिरुभावे सहस्रनामे पुरुषाय शाश्वते सहस्रकोटियुगधारिणे नमो नमः। नमः कमलनाभाय नमस्ते जलसायिने नमस्ते केशवानंद वासुदेव नमस्ते वासनाद वासुदेवस्य वासुदेव मोहनत्रयम् सर्वभूतानि वासोऽसि वासुदेव नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शुभ संस्कार आशीर्वाद आरोग्य प्राप्त्यर्थे मुक्त्यर्थे एवं भगवान शुभ मंगलम सूर सार्यम सर्वमंगल मंगले शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। नमो भगवते वासुदेव नमस्कारं तं समर्पयामि। नमो भगवते वासुदेव नमस्कारं ताभ्यो।
Alrighty, you guys saw how quick and nicely it was done. Aiden was sleeping the entire time. And we even got some prasad that he's eating. And now we're going to Patel Brothers. What is it?